Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about birds. Let's go. Number 1. Birds belongs to the mammal category and birds also the carnivores. Number 2. Birds can develop strong attachment to other birds. Wow. Number 3. Wild brown birds use rocks as a tool to scratch an itchy spot of the bird's body. Number 4. Birds' play behavior is key to surviving in the wild. Number 5. Black birds are about the size of human. Oh. Number 6. Birds are solitary animals. Number 7. Sloth birds use their lip like a vacuum. Wow, it's amazing. Number 8. There are 8 types of bird species in the world. Wow. If you like birds, hit the like button to this video. Thank you.